News that's coming in at the moment, coming in from the state of Tamil Nadu, where MK Stalin government has now declared a war on the Hindi language. Sources have told India Today Tamil Nadu bill will outlaw Hindi songs and Hindi movies in the state. Anti-Hindi language war has now erupted in the state of Tamil Nadu. Stalin government in a hurdle to ban Hindi in the state of Tamil Nadu. Sources are also revealing that this is a drastic Tamil Nadu language salvo that we are seeing coming in. Tamil Nadu government sources have said emergency discussion has taken place. The point of discussion was whether there should be a ban on Hindi across the state of Tamil Nadu. The bill to be passed, the bill, if it is passed, will be banning Hindi hoardings, Hindi boards, Hindi movies and even Hindi songs across the state of Tamil Nadu. My colleague Pramod Madhav is now joining me on the story. Pramod, this is a big news which is coming in at the moment. A full-fledged war coming in from the state of Tamil Nadu against the Hindi language.
Well, it's seriously very big news that we are breaking right now on India Today, Aishwarya. And the thing is that, like yesterday, an emergency meeting was held at the Chief Minister's residence, along with the DMK MP and lawyer N.R. Ilango of the Supreme Court. And what happened is that, like, there were so many speculations. Is this about a standard operating procedure that should be brought for legal, the campaigns and such after Karur incident? But what we've come to know right now is that this is much, much bigger, as the state government is actually planning to bring in a bill within the 4 days that we are going to have the assembly. From today onwards, we are going to have discussions on that as well. And this is about ban. Like I said, we have limited information, but these are like top source information which says that is Tamil Nadu government going to go ahead with a ban on Hindi hoardings and Hindi movies and songs and such. This is really huge, as we know, considering the history of Tamil Nadu along with Hindi imposition and such. But this is the first information we've got that we are breaking on India Today, Aishwarya.
Right, Pramod, this is big news which is coming in. We understand that there was a long discussion which happened, and if this bill somehow is passed in the assembly, then we could see the state banning Hindi songs, Hindi movies, even Hindi hoardings. So is this, do you believe, keeping the Tamil Nadu elections in mind, that's what most of the people at the moment believe in?
Well, Aishwarya, first and foremost, when it comes to hoardings in the state of Tamil Nadu, already there was a law that passed stated that Tamil should be given prominence over any other language, and that is in prominence as well. But right now, if we are not exactly sure if it's going to be a blanket ban or it's going to be some kind of ban with certain restrictions and such. But trying to touch Hindi in this manner, stating that songs, movies are going to be in a way banned, is something itself is a very big story, and we are waiting for more information on this particular one. Why the state decided to do so? What kind of ban it's going to bring, and why is it necessary to bring such a kind of ban at this time and hour, Aishwarya?
This is not the first time, Pramod, that we are seeing MK Stalin speak about Hindi. We have seen over the past also how DMK, particularly as a party, has always been against the Hindi language. Hindi imposition is something that we very often hear coming in from the state of Tamil Nadu.
Aishwarya, recently there was one program called as the Kalaimamani Virdu, and that is a kind of award given to artists. And even there he said, only if a language survives, the race will survive. So that way the Chief Minister has been very clear about protecting Tamil language on the whole. And there was such a kind of information that we've got, a very, very important information. We are trying to also break it into different parts to find out exactly what the state is going to plan. But right now we got the information that the state is targeting Hindi boardings, hoardings, Hindi boards, Hindi songs and Hindi movies. Aishwarya.
Pramod, what we understand will happen, it will be the Bharatiya Janata Party. The BJP will definitely pick it up. BJP time and again has been saying that there should be a unifying a language which actually unifies the entire country, and that's where we see Hindi come in. We have seen how the Chief Minister also at various points, at various events, has been speaking about the fact that at least the state of Tamil Nadu and other southern states also feel that there is a Hindi imposition on them. So that's also something which we could see happening in the next couple of days. The BJP also pointing fingers at this.
Certainly, Aishwarya, it's a very, very important issue when it comes to the state of Tamil Nadu, considering the Hindi fight against Hindi imposition, not just now, but back in the 1950s itself. And in a way, constantly DMK government and Chief Minister has been consistently stating that we have to save the language of Tamil, and any kind of bringing it, giving importance to any kind of exams or such in where Hindi is given importance, immediately DMK has raised its voice saying that it's a form of imposition. But amidst this, can the state go ahead and bring in a blanket ban, or what sort of ban they are planning for? We're trying to get more information on this matter as well, Aishwarya.
Thank you, Pramod, giving us all those details. This is big news which is coming in from the state of Tamil Nadu.